So hey guys, I just want to do this video to do a quick update. Paul Furman, you asked how the vinyl on the wheels is holding up, so I just want to do a walk around here. I just washed my car yesterday, so it's all cleaned up. There's no issues whatsoever with this. Holding on nice and tight. I don't go through like a car wash or anything, and I don't go to the ones with the high pressure hoses, so I don't know if that, I'm sure if you use those and got to the edges it might start lifting, but a garden hose at full blast doesn't phase them, so I'm really happy with it. I still love the look of it. You know, if down the road I get tired, I might try to get some different wheels, but I might stick with the black wheels. But overall, as you can see, it's really nice. Still has that high gloss. That's one thing I was worried about, is if it would like kind of dull, the vinyl would dull a little bit sitting in the sun all the time, but as you can see, it doesn't. I think this is like 7-year outdoor vinyl too, so it holds up really well. I'll show you the other ones too. And they all look nice and shiny. And you can't tell where the vinyl is and where the factory black painted part is. It has a nice flow to it. I really like it. And especially for the price, I don't know if it's $70 or whatever, to change the look of your wheels is awesome. Because, you know, a new set at the cheapest side is probably $600. So I'm really happy with this. If you guys are thinking about doing it, it's been almost a year now. Holding up great. You know, like I said, if I had to do this every year and they're peeling off, that would still be worth it to me, compared to spending maybe $800 for nice wheels that I want. And I like the design of the Honda wheels. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that really quick. My initial thoughts, like I said, I don't drive a whole bunch, so if you drive a ton, it might have a little bit more wear on them, but overall it holds up well if you apply it right, clean it really well, and then use a heat gun to help it get really sticky on the edges. You might see little air pockets when I installed it, but it's almost impossible to get perfect, and it doesn't bug me. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys out. If you're wondering if these actually last, if it's worth the $70, I think it is, because it really changes the whole look of the car. I think it looks way more aggressive like this than with the stock wheels, especially with the theme I'm doing. So hope everyone's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later.